guys, welcome to the channel. Welcome back to another vlog. Shouldn't really even call this a vlog, honestly. This is going to be a little short and sweet video for you guys. I am just like super stoked, super excited about these news that I'm about to give you guys. Oh yeah, and I'm wearing HSTL Supply Co. This is the script hoodie. Stepped outside real quick, super excited. I literally want to tell you guys, it's a real short video, like I said, that I've been working all fucking day on this website to bring to you guys for HSTL Supply Co. And dude, I'm just so stoked to tell you guys that HSTLsupplyco.com is now live. So you guys go HSTLsupplyco.com, link in the description. I will drop it right here too, so you guys can see exactly how it's spelled. But dude, I could not be more excited than I am right now. Like seriously, like this is the dopest of the dopest. Like if dope could be dope, this is that dope that could be doper than dope, if that makes sense. But anyways, dude, cop your hoodies, your t-shirts, get your merch, HSTLsupplyco.com, link in the description. I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.